Hey there, shake enthusiasts. Today, let's dive into the fantastic benefits of sipping on a delicious coconut milkshake. First off, coconut milk is rich in healthy fats that can help keep your heart happy and your body nourished. These fats are known as medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs, and they can provide a quick source of energy for your body. Coconut milk is also packed with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, iron, and magnesium. These nutrients are essential for maintaining a strong immune system, supporting healthy blood circulation, and promoting overall well-being. But that's not all. Coconut milkshake is also incredibly creamy and satisfying, making it the perfect treat for any time of day. Whether you're enjoying it as a refreshing snack or a tasty dessert, you can indulge in its creamy goodness guilt-free. Plus, coconut milkshake is naturally dairy-free and vegan-friendly, making it a great option for those with dietary restrictions or preferences. So next time you're in need of a tasty pick-me-up, whip up a coconut milkshake and treat yourself to a creamy and nutritious delight. If you enjoyed learning about the benefits of coconut milkshake, be sure to follow us for more mouth-watering videos. Stay cool and enjoy your shake